Hey guys! Oh, that's scary. And welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get Ginger Pig on the Piggy, but 200 players. You're going to go to shop, and then you're going to go to the code section, and then you're going to type in Ginger Pig, then press redeem, and then go to skins, and then you can find the Ginger Pig somewhere here. I'm trying to find it. Okay, it's somewhere here, but you're just going to find Ginger Pig and you're just going to basically equip it. I only have the Piggy one. Oh, it's under extra. Sorry, go to extras and then equip the Ginger Piggy, and that's how you can get the Ginger Piggy skin on this wonderful Piggy but 200 players game on Roblox. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!